Hey, super quick video just to show my custom solution for lifting the seat on the Ariel Rider X-Class 52 volt. So you see I've got the seat removed here. It's right over here. So what I did is I bought a 1 foot chunk of 2 inch by 2 inch aluminum squared tubing, 1/4 inch sidewall. It's pretty heavy duty stuff. It feels like actually 1/8 inch sidewall would have been sufficient. They have a 1.5 by 1.5 if you don't want to go quite that high. This will take you up 2 inches. So anyway, I cut it. It was 1 foot when I got it. I cut 2 chunks off of it, one 3 1/4 inches, the other one 3 3/4. And you see, I just attached it to the bottom of the seat here, and I'll come back in a few minutes here and put it onto the bike and show you what it looks like in the end. Okay, so here's the seat mounted. I had to be careful to drill the holes accurately. They weren't completely perfect, but they were close enough. I was able to get everything in there. And so it's all bolted in there. Everything's really tight. It's really solid. So that gives me 2 inches of lift. Should give me full leg extensions. I'm only about 5'7", but I still found the seat quite low. So there's one more piece to the puzzle, and that is the handlebars. They're going to be too low now. So I went ahead and I got this longer handlebar stem. So I'll go ahead and install that real quick and then wrap up the video. All right, so the seat's there, and now the handlebar extension is there. So it's quite a bit taller than it was. I tried it out, just sitting on it, and the ergonomics seem pretty solid. So it's a little late in the day here. I'm running out of light, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a quick spin, make sure everything is good. So maybe I'll do a quick little follow-up at the end. All right, well, I just took it for a spin, and I have to say, really transformed the bike. It really feels like a proper pedaling bike now. It was always a great bike. It was fun, but it had a little bit of that low mini bike moped thing going on, and the pedaling was not perfect. I did pedal it quite a bit, but it was just not really ideal for that. And now it's a proper pedaling bike. The stance is much better. Missed the flat footing at the stops a little bit, but I can still tippy toe it, and that's fine with me. It's just a lot better ergonomics for cycling, and I do actually like pedaling. I enjoy the power that this motor has, but I also do like to pedal, extend my range, power up the big steep hills when I'm on the trails. So anyway, I think it's a big improvement. I'll go ahead and throw the links to the Amazon products I bought, which are the aluminum square tubing and the handlebar extension. I'd say the diciest part of the process was cutting that tube, because I didn't really have a good way to do it. I did have a Sawzall, but I didn't have like a proper bench and a vise and all that. So I would say be very careful with that. If you have somebody who can help you with it, that would be a good way to go. The other part that I would say is really important is measuring the holes. You want to get those exactly right. So you're gonna go off the seat for that. You want to measure off of the seat, and then you got to have those holes exactly aligned on both sides of the tubing. And sorry, there's a dog here. Anyway, so all right, that's it. Hope this was useful for you. I know, I think a lot of people are interested in lifting up the seat on the Ariel Rider X-Class, and this is the way I figured out to do it. All right, take care.